two more of her, as you can see. Then, oh, we got Dory. Not Dory. Nemo. Nemo. So, yeah, we got Nemo in a little thing. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, you got, what's her name? What's she called? What's she called? She's under the water. Her. Can't think what her name is. No, I really can't. Should, but I can't. So yeah, these are quite cool. They are. I've seen the second one. Quite good. Actually, just as good as the first, I thought. But yeah. Alright. Quite interesting. She does look much different than she does in the normal outfit. I mean, she looks actually the same, nearly. She does. I mean, not much different at all. Right, we can do about 5 more cards, then we will have a bit of a chat. Got the sister. Yeah. We've got Screw the Duck again. Oh, good old Screw the Duck. He was screwed. So, yeah, we're getting back to some of the same cards again. So, that's the same. 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 Alright, so far, same. These might be nearly it, maybe. I hope not. Well, that looks different. Well, looks like a lot of these cards are the same, but this one's slightly different to the other one that I saw. It's quite shiny, don't know if you can see it. Even though he has came out, I have already got him. Let's have a look. Where did I get that one? Really, I'm sure it's not shiny. Come on, where are you? Yeah, here we are. Yeah. So yeah, it is actually different to that one. So I don't know if you can come across the camera at all, but actually that one is really shiny. Like shine to it, where that's just matte. If I can catch the light on it, you can probably just see it. Can you? Yeah. So yeah, it looks like that's near not going to be it on the cards. So it looks like they're all the same now. They do. Oh no, I got a couple. Yeah, not many more. The rest will be the same. So, so it's not been too long. So anyway, let's open the Tom and Jerry one, shall we? Now, these are Halloween sweets that we found, and yeah, you're right. We didn't go in Halloween. We went at Christmas. So, let's open these. Come on. I thought Stu was bad at opening boxes, but I think there's not actually a seal. Aha, I found it. I found it. I haven't found it. No, I don't think there's a. I think you just got to really rip the box. Shame. If you do it careful, you won't have to rip the box. So yeah. Oh, I'll tell you something. They're quite heavy, actually. Let me show you what they actually look like. So yeah.